Before I had these put in, me smile? No. Before my Forever Smile, I was very lax in dental maintenance. I ended up getting cavities, losing teeth. I was afraid to smile. I was afraid to laugh even. Got to the point where I said, okay, it's time to do something about it. I went over to Pure Dental. They made me comfortable knowing what I was going to be dealing with, what I was going to go through, and the outcome thereafter. I was like, yeah, baby, let's go. Next thing I know, I'm in the seat, having it done. They put you on an anesthetic. You're out. Next thing you know, you wake up and you got your smile. First thing I did after I got my teeth was had a nice thick steak. It was delicious. It's a life-changing experience, knowing that you can smile without having to think about it, knowing that you can laugh without having to think about it. Having this smile is the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Call or visit foreversmile.com for a complimentary consultation today.